Understanding alarm bells ringing in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard: alarm bells ringing. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and conversation skills. Let's explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday English. When we hear alarm bells ringing, it conjures up the image of a loud bell sounding off, doesn't it? But in the English language, this phrase is not usually about real bells. Instead, it's a metaphor. Alarm bells ringing means that there is a warning or a sign that something is wrong or that there might be trouble ahead. It's like an internal alert system going off, telling us to be cautious or to pay extra attention to a situation. The origins of alarm bells ringing tie back to actual alarm bells used throughout history. Bells have been rung to alert communities of dangers like fires, invaders, or other threats. Over time, this real-world action transformed into a metaphorical expression. Today, when we say we hear alarm bells ringing, we're tapping into that deep historical sense of alertness and caution, even though the dangers we're referring to might not be physical threats but concerns in business, relationships, or personal health. Understanding a phrase is great, but knowing how to use it in conversation or writing makes your English even stronger. Here are a few examples. 1. When you sense trouble. As soon as I heard the news, there were alarm bells ringing in my mind about the project's future. 2. In relationships. When they started asking for money, alarm bells started ringing for me. 3. Regarding health. The doctor's questions started alarm bells ringing about my health. Notice how the phrase can adapt to different situations, always carrying the sense of forewarning or concern. Alarm bells ringing is more than just an expression. It's a vivid metaphor that can help convey feelings of worry, alertness, and caution. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this phrase for you. Remember, understanding such expressions can greatly enrich your English language skills and make your conversations more nuanced and expressive. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.